Welcome to Jimi IoT, a leading location-based company in the Internet of Things industry.
With more than 20 years of experience, 2 R&D centers and nearly 70,000 square meters in our manufacturing center, Jimi IoT excels in rapid product customization. Based on our experience across multiple fields, from concept and design to mass production. To date, we have delivered over 55 million devices with an average annual shipment of 6 million units and a monthly production of 1 million units. Our assembly speed reached an impressive 500 units per hour. So, how we achieve these milestones? Let's check it out. We owe our success to a committed R&D team of over 300 professionals who understand the market demands and cutting-edge technologies and can provide a comprehensive product design and development services, including circuit, visual, and structural design, ensuring that all our products can meet the customer requirements. This knowledge is applied not only to our standard models, but also to our OEM and ODM services, resulting in a 3-month period to reach trial production stage. In terms of software development, our IoT Hub boasts the capability to host more than 10 million devices, thus providing our global customers with a comprehensive range of solutions and services. From design to production, we are fully committed to the Internet of Things. Here, in our manufacturing center in Huizhou, China, more than 600 passionate professionals are working hard to provide top-quality solutions for the industry. We also count with a smart production base, composed of 9 SMT and 10 assembly lines. These boast a $30 million investment, a number reflected in our standard production and OEM projects, which keep increasing as we continue to grow. Plus, our in-house developed unmanned warehousing system ensures systematic control and real-time data recording, reducing the risk of errors. With our extensive automation and digital enhancements, we empower better process control, ensuring efficient manufacturing and product quality through our PCB testing. At the same time, we combine cloud computing and centralized big data control center, providing customers all over the world with real-time monitoring and order tracking. With 1 million units manufactured each month, we put a great care in achieving the highest standards. By investing over $2 million in the construction of a laboratory with 50 careful testing processes, we ensure that every aspect is under control, meeting and exceeding the customer expectations for our deliveries. In our operations, we do not forget the environment. We firmly believe that all things are connected and that the future of IoT should be one where technology and nature coexist.
Before we end, we would like to say thank you to all of you for your trust and cooperation through the years. We hope to keep working together to make connections simple for everyone. Thank you and see you soon.